Hi, Darcy Newton with MyWellSpa.com. Today I want to talk about a conversation that I had with a friend a couple of days ago. We were talking about her retirement, and she's was a little nervous about some of the choices that she had to make and the risk that going forward that she was thinking about her risk level, her risk tolerance with the money that she had left. Now, it wasn't enough money for her to retire on, but at the same time, she was really nervous about taking any risk with the money that she had left. And I think it's a pretty common situation that a lot of people find themselves in right now, especially given what the market has done to a lot of people's retirement accounts. But it's something that I really asked her to think about. So if you don't have enough to retire on and you're not comfortable taking any risk, then the alternative is that you'll be left with trying to retire on what you have, because without any risk there, you won't be able to grow that account. You're paralyzed basically, and unwilling to make decisions that will grow that account. So one of the things that I suggested to her is that she start to educate herself, because risk really comes into play. I mean, there's a lot of reasons that things are, more risky or less risky, but I think one of the big ones that we can control is our education level. We invest in the stock market without really knowing what controls the stock market. And if we educate ourselves more about what controls it or what influences it, then we can make better decisions and have less risk. And the same is true with real estate, the same is true with gold, the same is true with any asset that you put in your retirement account. The more educated you are, the less risk there will be. I'm not saying there will not be any risk, because there's always risk, right? I mean, leave your money in a bank account in a bank and earn 2%, and you're taking a risk. So it's just better to know what those risks are and then how to mitigate them. Hope this is helpful. This is Darcy Newton with MyWellSpa.com.